How to share Spotify Wrapped on Instagram story. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can share your Spotify Wrapped on Instagram story. Simply open up Spotify on your phone, then simply open up your Wrapped, and then simply click on the top right on the share button. Then after that, click on Instagram, and then you guys can just simply share this with people. Or if you guys want to just simply share it on your story, click on that share button once again. Then simply scroll to the left, click on more, and then after that you guys should be able to see Instagram story over here. Simply click on Instagram once again, and then from over here, if you guys still don't see the option to share it on story, simply click on this button once again. Just copy the link, then open up Instagram on your phone. Then over here, simply click on create, then simply paste that link over here, and then after that you guys should be able to see your Spotify. If you guys still can't see it, then simply come over here and simply open up any Wrapped playlist. Then click on these three dots, click on share, and then from over here, click on stories. Then you guys should be able to see Spotify Wrapped being shared on your story. Thank you so much for watching. That is how you guys can post Spotify Wrapped on your story. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, goodbye.